Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to use regular expression validator control. So when we started the sub-series, we started with the record field validator. Then we moved on to range validator. After that, we learned compare validator. In the last video, we learned about validation summary control, which assembles all the previously created validation controls validation message. Now we will use the regular expression validator control. The regular expression validator control validates form field data using the regular expression. A regular expression is a big topic, and you can find a lot of dedicated book that tells how to form the regular expression that performs pattern matching. So regular expression is nothing but a way of telling a pattern in string format, right? So that pattern will check a specific pattern of a string and do the matching. So useful for search and match. So that's what called a regular expression. And here we will be using this regular expression to check the input is in a specific format. We can use a regular expression to compare string representation of user input follows a specific pattern or not. Right? We can use regular expression to compare string representation of user input follows a specific pattern. Right? So, for example, we can validate phone number. So, your phone number follows a specific pattern, right? Similarly, zip code, email address should have @ and dot at one location, right? .com or .in, whatever. So @ is required in the email address. So those are all the pattern we can check using the regular expression validator control. And the property here is validation expression property. So using this property, we can set the regular expression. So regular expression is specified in terms of string format, and that string format pattern performs the string pattern match. We are familiar with all other properties from our previous videos in this sub-series. Also note that regular expression is a big topic. There are a lot of books to learn it. Now let's go to the demo. So here we will place email address, we will have a text box here, and we'll place a regular expression validator next to this text box. We will go to property and immediately set the forecolor to standard error message text color. We will name this text field as txt email address. Now we will switch back to regular expression validator, and here we'll set control to validate as txt email address. So in the error message, we will set email so we know that the message here will go to our validation summary control, and text we will give simply invalid. So here in the validation expression, so this is where the skill is required on forming the irregular expression. But since it requires a separate laning and separate course, we will choose the pre-built one. And if you see French phone number, and this is the regular expression, and if you see how it forms the expression. Now we will go to internet email address, and if you see the regular expression, how it is formed, W plus, that means word plus, and you can see in between there is a @ symbol. And if you need, you can form your own regular expression, but here we are taking a pre-built expression. Alright, now we will rebuild the solution and run it. So now you can see that our regular expression is coming into picture, and it validates the email address properly. So date mistakenly selected. Okay, now here we will pick some email address. So that's all. Here we are done with the validation control examples. Thank you for watching. Bye.